This is Rob with the Yacht Experts, coming to you today from our listed Marquis 59. This is a 2006 boat. I'm going to do a quick walkthrough for you. The boat speaks for herself, but we're going to have a little bit of fun. And she is beautiful and looking for a new home. So let's take a little walk. And I can talk while we're walking. You can see her bow here. We don't have the cushions up for the lounging. Just a little bit of backstory on Marquis. She is made by Carver in Pulaski, Wisconsin. Carver, very American style boat. They did the Marquis as a Euro style boat, and it is very reminiscent of an Azimut or a Sunseeker. It has those Euro lines, much higher level production and construction than the Carvers, which are really nice boats. This is a high-end boat, and she is set up for cruising. Her present owner has cruised with her to the Bahamas on multiple occasions. Highlights: under 1,000 hours on her big Volvo D12 715 horsepower motors. They run great, they run strong, the electronics are good. The boat drives great and looks great, and she is priced well below the market. We're looking to move her quickly. Like we always do at Yacht Experts, we're about selling boats, not listing boats. Let's take a walk around.